Hi, my name is Luis Castano with IAC's Tip of the Month. This month we want to discuss some details about upgrading a central vacuum system. Many plants have these high vacuum centralized systems where you can plug in and for housekeeping purposes clean up some dust that's spilled or clean a machine. And these systems have multiple vent points that are connected via a constant diameter pipe into a filter system and a high vacuum centrifugal, multi-stage centrifugal blower, which I have depicted here. Some of these run at minus 15 inches of mercury, high vacuum so that you can get good suction to do whatever you need to do. These systems are typically constructed with a cyclone, which then goes into a bottom load pulse jet type baghouse, which then goes into a centrifugal blower, and then it goes into a HEPA filter in the case of toxic dusts, and then out to exhaust. This is a long, complicated system and probably very expensive. Now the point here that we want to explain is that this vacuum centrifugal blower does not like dust. And look at how it's laid out. You've got dust being collected on this filter, but if you have a leak, it's going to affect the multi-stage centrifugal blower. In many cases, just destroying it, and it has to be replaced, which is not cheap. So a simple solution, as we explained last month, is to put the HEPA filter before the blower, which is a great solution. But another one that we have accomplished, and it's very useful, is to integrate the cyclone into this unit's housing to have a single discharge and make this into a walk-in plenum on top. So we can use top load bags with snap band, get a good reliable seal in a clean environment, and the integrated cyclone, you get rid of the cyclone, you put the HEPA filter before the blower and obtain much higher reliability, ease of maintenance, and just less headaches overall. What happens in many cases is that the manufacturer of this high vacuum blower, which is an expensive high-tech piece of equipment, just procures the rest of the system from somebody that's not all that familiar. We are familiar with these solutions, so you can contact us and we can have a package ready for you to solve your problems of maintenance and reliability. If you want to discuss this in more detail, please call us. We're here to help you. Thank you.